Hello and welcome. My name is Miss Jurgens and I teach art at Lanphier High School. Specifically this semester, I teach painting 1 first hour. I have photography 1 third hour, ceramics 1 fourth hour, and I have intro to 2D art 2nd, 5th, and 6th hours. My class schedule, along with the Zoom times, is located on the info tab on my webpage for Lanphier. In addition to that, I also have my classroom management plan as well as my technology management plan on the info tab on my webpage. My expectation for students this year in this unprecedented remote learning is to be engaged by attending Zoom meetings, and on their independent learning days, I expect them to log into my courses during the specific times that they are taking the course. I do have supplies coming. They are not here yet, but any pencils, colored pencils we need, I will distribute supplies as soon as I get them in hand as well. But other than that, I'm looking forward to a fantastic year. As new as it is to all of us, this is going to be a fantastic year. Thank you.